Good morning guys, what's up? Welcome back, hope you're all really well. Today we have another Thrifty unboxing and it's a double Demonia unboxing this time, so I'm really excited. As always, I got both pairs from Depop, so yeah, I'll show you what I got. First pair. Okay, so these are the Sprite 02 model, super cute. We've got little heart buckles, you can see there. One that goes around the ankle and this one goes over the foot. Nice pastel pink colour, so bright and shiny as well. So I got these for £40 including shipping. They're in amazing condition. I think the seller said they've been tried on once indoors, but yeah, they've still got that new shoe smell. There's no wear on the insole or the sole. Yeah, amazing. Proper bargain for £40 as well. So yeah, buy second hand. Ta-da! So cute. Okay, so I'm really excited for this pair because I've wanted them for ages. See if they live up to the expectations. Okay, they do, they definitely do. Look at that. These are so beautiful. So these are the Stack 102 model, I believe, in lavender. And they've also got this like silver mesh pattern over the top of the lavender, which reflects a rainbow, and that's just beautiful. Really, really cool. These are brand new as well. Got that new shoe smell, clearly never been worn. And look at the sole. And I got these for £55 including shipping, which is also amazing, real bargain. I love them. They feel so nice. Okay, so that's it for the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Just a quick one to show you what I got. I am absolutely in love with these. Very, very happy with both my purchases. I'll try them on in about 10 seconds as well. Okay then, see you in the next one. Have a nice day.